Hi guys, welcome to Kevin the Trainer 79. Today I'm going to do 3 advanced push-up exercises with you. Any order that you would like. On all of them I would do 3 to 4 sets with 10 to 15 reps. Let's get started, okay? So the first one is called the decline push-up. So I'm going to do a little differently. I'm going to do it with 1 foot instead of 2. Basically what you're going to do is you're going to put your hands on the ground, shoulder width apart. 1 foot on the mat, keep your bum down, you don't want it up. And basically what you do is you're going to go down with your arms, come down 90 degrees and come back up. And what this is doing is just putting more weight from your upper body to lift. And that's why it's a little more advanced. Okay? So come down, breathe in as you go up, exhale as you come down. Okay? The next exercise I'm going to show you is called the Typewriter push-up. So basically you're going to get into a stance and you're basically going to go from side to side. When you go from one side to the other, that's 1 rep. You're going to keep going and do 10 to 15 as many as you can. So have your hands inward like this. Okay? Have your feet shoulder width apart. Come down. And basically you're going to go back and forth. Last 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? So if you're doing it, breathe in as you go across, exhale as you come across. Okay? So that's called a typewriter push-up. If you guys are starting off and you can't maybe do as many as 10 or 15, do as many as you can. As you keep doing it, you're going to build up endurance and you'll be fine. Just keep going. Okay? Next one is called a arch push-up. Similar to the typewriter, except for you're going to come up and you're going to go down. So before you were going back and forth, now you're going to come up and you're going to go over to each side. So 1, 1. Okay, so breathe in as you come up, exhale as you go down. Okay, so 3 advanced push-up exercises you can do. First one was 1-legged decline push-up. Second one was typewriter push-up, back and forth. And the third one was the arch push-up. Okay guys, if you enjoy, take care.